this is Holly here, and I'm gonna be answering some of your questions today. So the traditional cappuccino is really the only drink that you need to worry about. That's my favorite, and it is the perfect balance of espresso, a little bit of sweet milk, and a big layer of delicious foam on top. So cold brew is actually a method of making iced coffee, and you should really only ever order iced coffee if it's done in a cold brew method because it's the best for it. Oh man, that's a tough one. Which coffee brewing method makes the tastiest cup? It really depends on what you're going for. For me, the tastiest cup comes from ease, so I just like to use my coffee brewer, and it's tasty because I didn't really have to do much work. So for beginners, I would recommend making sure that you have a really good high quality coffee first. So pick out something, talk to your barista that seems aligned with the flavor notes you would enjoy. And you can just start with a coffee brewer. As long as you have great coffee and a good grinder, you can really make great coffee simply with just a basic coffee brewer. If you want to get a little bit into pour over, it just becomes a lot more technical. So for a beginner, I would first just really make sure you figure out what kind of coffee you like the best. Well, the coffee brewing method that takes the least amount of time is espresso, because it's only going to take about 30 seconds to extract. However, it takes the longest to learn it and really do it well. So honestly, for me, something that takes the least amount of time and is hands-off is going to be a coffee brewer, because I grind my coffee, push a button, and a couple minutes later, it's ready to go for me. Thanks for submitting your questions to our Ask a Perry series. If you have any follow-up questions or new ones that you want to ask, be sure to put that in the comments below.